a nice day. Fancy a walk? Tough. You coming? Good afternoon, everybody, and yeah, sorry for not putting up as much content as I'd like. The sun's out, so I thought I'd at least come for a walk. And basically the message that I want to get across to everyone today is, regardless of what Boris is saying, regardless of all these lockdowns, etc., get outside, go and see nature, go and sit down, do whatever. I'm about to have a hot chocolate. There's a nice little walk here. Enjoy yourself. Don't be restricted by somebody else's stupidity. Do your part, obviously. Stay 2 meters apart. If you're 2 meters apart, you wear a mask. You come here by yourself or with somebody that's in your little circle. There's no harm done. If it's up to me, get outside, get seeing this. Take your family. Now that you've got a chance to actually do stuff with your family, and enjoy it. There will be more videos coming, more camping videos when the restrictions lift. Obviously there's a big fine if you are caught out, so come out at your own risk. Thank you to everyone that's liking, subscribing. I brought a nice little hot chocolate with me, so I'll cook that up for you now. And yeah, enjoy everyone.